Okay, so we're just going to look at a multi-stage event with replacement. Okay, so it's going to look at finding the probability when it's with replacement. So you have a bag, there's 7 red and there's 7 blue, 7 red, 7 blue and 8 red balls. So 7 blue, 8 red. Okay, so we want to get the probability of doing 3 reds. So it's red and a red and a red. So on the first draw, you'd have to get the chance of getting a red. There's 8 reds. Get my head around that. There's 15 altogether, so it's 8 on 15. Okay, so if I want a red and then I take it out and then I put it back in, when I do my second draw for the red, it's going to be exactly the same because I take it out and then that'd be 7 red, and then I put it back in, so we go back to 8 red. And I do the same on the second. I take it out and I put it back. And that's what we mean with replacement. So then you get quite a big number. You get 512 on 3375. Okay, so that's part 1. So if you want exactly 1 blue, you could have blue with 2 reds, or you could have red, blue, red, or you could have red, red, blue. Okay, so blue would be 7. So 7 blue and 8 red. I'm just going to rewrite that. So blue would be 7 on 15 and red would be 8 on 15. It stays the same each time, okay? And this would just be the same thing. You'd have 8 on, so a red would be 7. First one's red. No, first one's blue. Okay, so first one we want red. Red would be 8 on 15. I don't know why I'm getting these confused. And blue is 7 on 15. And then a red would be 8 on 15 because you're putting it back. And before you make the second draw. And then, do you notice it's the same? So I'm pretty sure the next one would be 8 on 15 times 8 on 15 times 7 on 15. So it's actually the same as having 7 on 15 times 8 on 15 times 8 on 15, and then you just multiply it by 3. And you end up with 448 on 1125. Okay, so then we're going to just do the last one. The last one is at least 1 blue, and we always just do 1 minus the probability of no blue. So that's 1 minus the probability of red, red, red. So 1 minus the probability of a red would be 8 on 15. And a red again, because I put that one back. So it'll be the same number in there, 8 on 15. And then I put it back again before I make the third draw, and you get 8 on 15. So you end up with 2863 over 3375.